ethical hacking and cybersecurity session. In this session, we are demonstrating the current market needs of all what we have in the current market of the ethical hacking or in cybersecurity domain. There for data security, the threat management, or whatever the problem in their operating systems, in their mobile operating systems, in their network, and in currently in the infrastructure we have. So our currently the current session that I am going to present you is actually divided into three separate time slots, or might be a topic. First topic I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to discuss in a detailed way, that why we need a Python, ethical hacking, and a cyber security, or this is stuff. What is the current market value, and why we need this? Secondly, what we are presenting, and why what we are, and what we are going to deliver, and how it value you people to the current market. So first we see, I'm going to tell you that what is the current situation and why we need this. Current requirement of this course outline is too much high in the current market. So our main concern is to focus on the three industry currently that will guide you to make you in a way that on those three industries that you can grow well. These three industry includes cloud industry, automation, and classic industry. These three, the classic industry means from the beginning till now. Cloud industry, as we all moving our data to cloud industry, so we all need to secure our data by any mean. By any mean means either encrypted format, either the secure channel, or either the VPN, or in forms of the data center. Cyber security is the requirement. And the topic, or the scenarios, or all the collection that we have, that we are teaching into the current market to you people, is fulfilling all these three domains. And we are covering all these domains with a white hacker platform. Keep in mind, all of you people, you should keep in mind, we never try to make everybody a black hat hacker. We try to make everybody as a white hat hacker. So what you should know in terms of the market. So the point that I have discussed, why the cyber security, and the point that I have discussed, why the ethical hacking, and what is mean by the ethical hacking. As I have already told you, that we will cover only the white hack part, not the black hat hacking part, because we are giving you the knowledge, the scenario, that you can cover up your all the operating systems, your all the network devices, your all the firewalls, your all the data center, and not even that, your all company domain. What are the use cases? Okay, the use cases that I have already told you, that when you learn things from here, the cyber security, that you can secure your all the business scenarios, all whatever the data you have. And keep in mind, security is always the issue from the start till the end, that I have already told you, and try to make you realize that security is always the threat. Currently we are in a cyber warfare. Okay, what is a warfare? Warfare is a some sort of running scenario where everybody try to secure and attack at the same time to their premises and to their data center. So how much secure they are means if they deploy a too much big firewall like a Palo Alto or the Fortinet or whatever the firewall they have deployed, they exactly at that time they hired the penetration tester of their internals, and they hired the penetration tester from the outer world to check them how much secure they are. So this cyber warfare will go on continuously as we move on towards a IT scenario, or the infrastructure, or the cyber security market. Most the big concern is Python. Well, there is one thing that I should clear you with all of you people. Python, if you have one script Python, okay, before telling you the Python, whatever attack I have made in my life till 6 or 7 years, whatever the hacking or whatever the exploit I have write all those exploits in Python language. And all those exploit work on Linux platform, work on Windows platform, work on even Cisco routers, right? Now even the Even the firewalls, you can bypass their cybersecurity scenario. But there is a knowledge behind this scenario. You have to be too much technical with the operating system. I let you know on these slides that what you know to bypass the firewall, what you have a knowledge that you can cross all those domains to become a good a good penetration tester. That means if you learn the Python with the cybersecurity or with the ethical hacking, that means you are actually covering all the operating system with it. That means with one single line of code that will run Windows, it will run on Mac, it will run on Linux, and these are those machines that we try to use for the penetration testing, right? All the best algorithms, all the hacking algorithms are their replicated code are too much powerful in terms of the Python language as compared to other languages. Instead, C++, because there are still three few things like a rat, a virus, and hidden worms are still developed in C++, but you can replicate them in your Python language. And in this course, we are going to teach all these people, those who will learn from us, that how to write a rat, how to write a hidden worm that nobody or no operating system or even you can bypass the antivirus also. So, what are the basic, the best thing that we need to learn in the cybersecurity? What we should know in terms of the cybersecurity, and what we have in our hands in terms of the cybersecurity. So, to go to learn to know the cybersecurity, you must know how communication protocol works, like how two devices communicate each other, whether they are any device like the hardware devices means how a router and switch communicates with each other, how one operating system to communicate with another operating systems, because deep down if you do know them very clearly, the protocols, the data work on